Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So SUI is still clearly caught in the correction, so the situation hasn't changed. We should consider this to be in a correction until the price shows an impulsive reaction to the upside, which means the situation won't change until I see at least a break above the trend line that looks impulsive, which would indicate the start of a wave 5. That means this correction can of course extend, and even if the price breaks below the pivot at 265, it indicates that we're likely in the larger wave 4, right? So these are the two scenarios we're tracking. They're both bullish, but in the short term within these scenarios, we are caught in a correction. So we're dealing with either a wave 4 in a larger third wave, or we're dealing with a larger wave 4, right? These are both possible scenarios. So in one scenario, and that's the, let's say the white count, which I actually slightly prefer, but it would be time for the bulls now to turn up. But again, there is still space in the support region. We've only entered it a couple of days ago, only on the weekend, really. So in this scenario, in the white count, we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and we could get one more high in wave 5. In this scenario, the price should get to 424 or 521 before completing circle 3. And then circle 4 should happen. But if we get one more high, then we will have to adjust the support region accordingly. And in the larger correction, let's say we are already in the fourth wave, we can be, okay, but it would require a break below the upper support, so below the pivot there, 265. We need a break below that to confirm it further that we are in this larger fourth wave correction. It's not clear at this stage if that's what's unfolding. I wouldn't mind. I mean, the rally is long enough to be considered complete also in circle 3. To be honest, the case can be made for both. But looking at strictly at the microstructure, this wave 2 for me didn't get an equal match anywhere here. So this wave 4 is a bit too small for that. So this is decent, and it could be the wave 4 of this wave degree, wave 2, to allow for one more high. But again, you know, the market will decide. For now, I assume we're in a correction, but I'm watching for a reaction in this support region between 326 and 265. Yeah, basically for reaction to see if the fifth wave to the upside is actually starting. And then again, the upside targets I mentioned, and any break below 265 should send us to $2.09. Possibly even 171, below 171, and that's really key support. I haven't got any, let's say, bullish scenario left, unfortunately. We would need to see a reaction at the latest before the price breaks below 171 to maintain an overall bullish perspective on this. You know? So yeah, and then if we zoom out, just to give you an idea of the overall, let's say, bigger picture, larger time frame, just to get an idea of where we are, looking at just, you know, the zoomed out bird's eye view, basically, without all the mess on the micro level. Here, pretty much, yeah, I mean, it's about that wave 4 is due, but on the micro level, we can make a case for one more high in this fifth wave. Yeah? But again, this is the bigger picture here. Nobody should be surprised if that wave 4 happens. Support is 121, $2.09, 266, and then we could still get one more high before this larger yellow wave count finishes. And if things go really well, we get another 4-5 pattern, but that is not assumed. That's nice to have. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.